fast do you think you can ride on this jet ski? Here's a hint. Engineers from the US upgraded it to get 1,200 horsepower, while the factory version offers about 260 horsepower. They also use nitrous oxide, and the engine got an improved turbocharger. In the end, the modified Yamaha GP1800 managed to accelerate up to 135 miles per hour. The powerful 110 cubic inch engine is responsible for the incredible acceleration. The vehicle has already been to the Hydro Drags competition, where extreme enthusiasts try to set new speed records. The Italian Sea Group, one of the biggest companies in the international yachting industry, worked together with Lamborghini to produce this yacht. So, what makes it so interesting? First of all, the number 63 in the name is not only an indication of the yacht being 63 feet long, but also the number of yachts that will be built. And it's also a reference to 1963, the year when Ferruccio Lamborghini founded his legendary company. Secondly, the owners will be able to appreciate the full power of the two MAN V12 engines, which develop 2,000 horsepower each and reach a top speed of 69 miles per hour. To lighten the construction, carbon fiber was used, and the final weight of the boat is 52,900 pounds. Thirdly, after spending all day sailing, you should rest properly. That's why the engineers offer up to 7 beds and 3 layouts, with an open plan interior with 1 cabin or with 2 cabins. On the screens you can see the H1 Unlimited class of hydroplanes. It stands out for its incredible power. The hydroplane's engines produce more than 3,000 horsepower, enabling pilots to reach more than 199 miles per hour, making them the fastest racing boats in the world. Harnessing that kind of power requires not only a great deal of experience, but also sailing with 2 spoilers, just like a Formula 1 bolide, and the angle of attack of the front foil can be changed by the pilot during the race. Of course, there is also a reinforced keel. Thanks to it, the hydroplane creates 60 feet tall walls of water when turning. The pilot is seated in a special closed capsule with 5-point safety harnesses. As a prototype of the capsule, engineers chose the cockpit of an F-16 fighter jet, and they managed to buy 2 decommissioned safety canopies for the tests. Thanks to this solution, there hasn't been a single fatal accident in the class since the late 80s. Next, we board the Hypersub, a submarine designed and built in the US. One of its key features is the FBS platform, which can be easily modified for different tasks. That's why the manufacturer is certain that the boat will be interesting, not only for entrepreneurs and fans of outdoor activities, but also for the military. The FBS combines all the advantages of a long-range runabout and a diesel-electric submarine. According to the website, the basic features are 2 480 horsepower diesel engines, a submergence depth of about 500 feet, an underwater range of hundreds of miles, a payload of about 3,000 pounds, and a cruising speed of up to 30 miles per hour on the water and up to 6.2 miles under the water. The team offers 5 equipment options. The 8-person version of Seaghost, for example, has a drone launch and charging platform, an underwater sensor maintenance and deployment system, and other options important for reconnaissance and patrol. And if none of the options are satisfactory, the developers can build you a custom model. A little more about speedboats, more specifically about Miss Geico Racing Team. It has set several world speed records and won several competitions in different classes. Once, the team won 5 titles in a row. The team's racers drive Miss Geico boats, which are available in many versions. Each one of them is the result of advanced engineering technologies. For example, Miss Geico 113 is a combination of carbon fiber and Kevlar. It's 47 feet long and reaches over 160 miles per hour. Structurally, the boat consists of two aerodynamic hulls connected to each other. The crew sits in a protected and insulated cockpit, and racing requires special helmet masks with an oxygen supply system. The vessel is so unusual that it was even featured on the Discovery Channel show Build It Bigger. Introducing a boat with a one-word motto: speed. The Midnight Express 43 is comparable to a Mercedes luxury car. It's a boat that offers a combination of stylish design, performance, and reliability. The model is 43 feet long and can accommodate up to 20 people. When fitted with quad Mercury Racing 450R engines, the boat will reach a top speed of 85 miles per hour. The fuel tank holds 450 gallons of fuel. At your disposal, you have a cabin with everything from a compact bathroom to a dining area. Of course, a multimedia system is also available, and as a nice bonus, you can choose the boat's colors on the website. At that, one person can easily control the boat on their own. It is a dream boat, at least according to a YouTube user. And what do you think? Hovercraft manufacturers are also working full-time. The Australian company Viper Hovercraft decided to follow the latest technology trends. In today's selection, you can see the Viper 5XRS, a 5-person hovercraft. The boat is 15 feet long and 7.2 feet wide. As in other models, carbon fiber was used, and the underside of the hull is reinforced with ballistic Kevlar. Engine power is 140 horsepower. A special control unit allows you to program its work for specific tasks. The maximum speed is 50 miles per hour on calm water and 68 miles per hour on ice. A positive buoyancy system is provided for safety. This hydrofoil called Gianni M was built by the Italian company Liberty Lines. It can carry 350 passengers and reaches 44 miles per hour. It is 124 feet long and is powered by two 2300 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engines. Once fueled, the vessel is capable of traveling 690 miles in fully autonomous mode, and solar panels are used as an additional power source. Naturally, it cost a great deal of money, over $7 million. Part of the sum was allocated by the EU and the Italian government. The Gianni M was launched in 2016, and everyone who wants to go for a ride should know that from June 2022, the boat will sail along the Trapani-Pantelleria route. Here is an interesting experience from New Zealand. Shotover Jet offers a boat ride on the Shotover River. This river is tightly linked to the history of the Maori people, the indigenous people of New Zealand, and the Shotover Jet is the only company authorized to operate in this area. Thanks to the special design of the boats, you can easily come on a tour in regular clothes and take children from 3 years old with you. The ride will take about 25 minutes. For a fun and safe ride, the company has prepared 7 interchangeable boats. Each is equipped with 2 Hamilton 212 water jets and 2 Mercruiser V8 350 horsepower engines. The speed is about 53 miles per hour. The company is also working on an all-electric version. Tests began in May 2022. We continue our cruise together with the specialists of Burgess Marine Shipyard and the British design bureau Glider Yachts. They successfully launched the Glider SS-18 catamaran yacht, which took them about 6 years to build. Various reviews have called the boat futuristic, super fast, cool, and have noted that we are witnessing a new dimension in high-speed luxury. But is the Glider SS-18 worthy of being praised? Let's look at the specs. 4 270 horsepower engines plus water jets, a speed of about 58 miles per hour, a unique SCS stabilization system, and capacity for 4 passengers and the captain. If that's not enough, the company has plans for other versions that will deliver up to 115 miles per hour. This will allow to get from Miami to the Bahamas in less than an hour. To top off these features, the yacht is fitted with leather sports seats, a JL audio sound system, and a champagne fridge. This is the Scorpios racing yacht. It costs about $20 million, and it was built in a Finnish shipyard by Juan Kuyun Jian. He has designed 3 yachts that have won the Volvo Ocean Race. According to Forbes, it is the largest racing yacht ever built. Moreover, it's the largest single-hull yacht ever to compete in the Rolex Fastnet race. Interestingly enough, in the ranking of the biggest yachts in the world, the Scorpios occupies the 1,726th place. Scorpios is 140 feet long, while its mast height is 180 feet. Scorpios has a crew of 23 to 24 people. It's also known that the mast is made of carbon fiber and the sail is 10,872 square feet. The overall design is a reference to Greek mythology. It is hard not to notice that electric cars are trending. In 2020, their sales in Europe grew by 137% and in China by 12%. Today, electric vehicles are a great way to maintain any company's reputation and visibility. That's the reason why Jaguar, Vector, and Williams Advanced Engineering came up with this vehicle back in 2018. Although it's not a car, but an electric boat. The product, known as the Jaguar Vector Racing V20e, turned out to be very successful and broke the world speed record for electric boats, reaching 88.6 miles per hour. For the project, engineers adapted technology from the Formula E racing series and used 2 295 horsepower Yasser electric motors and 706-pound battery packs. It is a great first step in bringing the power and versatility of electrification to the marine industry, said Jaguar Vector Racing CEO Malcolm Creese.